Hello friends, how are you? I am Inamul haq Shah. Today we are going to discuss present continuous tense. This tense is also known as present progressive. In this tense, first we use subject, then helping verbs are used, then first form plus ing and then object. For example, Madhuri is singing a song. This is a positive sentence. So we use this tense when the action is going on at the time of speaking. For example, Madhuri is singing a song. This is an action going on at the time of speaking, and if we make it negative, Madhuri is not singing a song. Is Madhuri singing a song? Is Madhuri not singing a song? So the first one is a positive sentence. The second one is negative. The third one is interrogative. And the fourth one is negative interrogative. So keep in mind that to make a sentence negative, use not after the helping verbs. And to make it interrogative, use helping verbs in the start of the sentence. Helping verbs in this tense are is, am, and are. She's writing a novel. This is an action that is going on at the time of speaking. And the second one is, we use this tense that is not actually taking place at the time of speaking. For example, I am reading Reluctant Fundamentalist, a novel, but I am not reading at this moment. Therefore, we can also use this tense. She is writing a novel, but she is not writing a novel at this moment, right now. So we can also use this tense that the action, for that action, that is not actually taking place in the present. And the third one is, we use present continuous tense for an action that will take place in the future, in the near future. For example, I am going to present a lecture. She is going to write a story. So this is a plan for near future. Therefore, we use present continuous tense. Now I will give you a list of verbs. So this is a list of verbs. The verbs of perception, verbs of emotion, verbs of appearing, and verbs of thinking. So these are the some verbs. So when any sentence consists of these verbs, do not use present continuous tense. For example, she's thinking, I'm wrong. No, this is a wrong sentence. She thinks I'm wrong. Because think is in the category of these verbs. So these are the some uses of present continuous tense or present progressive. I hope you got understand. So thank you for watching the video. For more videos and updates, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Goodbye.